Hello Vietmaxim family and welcome back to my channel. Make my day by smash that like button. Alright, for those who are trading stock, either trading short term or trading options, I've been following Boeing, and if you look at this chart, this is over a 4-year period. Around 2020, that's when Boeing had this bad news about the Boeing 737. As you can see, the price dropped. And it dropped all the way down to about 100, 115. And then it's recovered, got rejected at around 170, retrace again. But then at this point here, it found support and bounced up. So essentially what we had here was a double bottom. Price bounced up, broke over this top. So the target was around this range here. And if you look at this chart, it broke out and pretty much ran to about the target. And at this point, which is around like the 215, it pretty much hit this major supply zone. As you can see at this area here. That's where it was struggling to find direction. So what I'm looking at this here is Boeing is kind of like temporarily reached its limit for this run up. And as you can see right now, the price kind of like stagnant, or the bull is losing momentum. If we zoom in, you can see the price. Every time when the bull tried to push it up, seller step in and push the price down. And for the past 2 days, we see this hammer, which is on an uptrend, an indication of a possible reversal. And then on Friday, we have this doji, which is it's basically an indecision. So there's a very good chance that we could, in the short term, see a pullback. So what I'm looking for today is, if you look at this red line, this is the 10 days moving average. If Boeing closed below the 10 days moving average, which is right at around 210, that would be I would say that would be a good entry for either a put options or a short Boeing. And the key here is, if we are wrong, if somehow the price continues to bounce up, and if it get over this prior high, which is around 215, 216, you have to get out. Now let's say if I'm right, it's very likely that we could see Boeing drop down to retest this prior demand area here, which is right at around like the 185, 186. So let's say if I trade stock options, I would buy Boeing put, and expiration February 17th, or about 3 weeks out. I would go and buy Boeing 200 put. For right now, it is trading at $2.28. So if the price dropped to about 190, this could easily be a 3-4x. So just keep your eyes on Boeing. And if Boeing closed below 210 today, it could be a very good entry point for a short-term play. That's it. Give me a like if you appreciate this content, and if you like this sort of boring videos, make sure to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications.